The beauty of woodworking is that you can make money in so many different ways. I always love seeing the attention to detail that goes into woodworking projects. The possibilities with woodworking are endless. Grab 16,000 woodworking plans today. You can get instant access to over 16,000 woodworking projects in the next 5 minutes or less. Ted has spent years putting together Earth's largest collection of woodworking plans. I'm talking about 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step instructions, photos and diagrams to make every project laughably easy. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click on the link of the first comment and get it now. The beauty of woodworking lies not just in the finished product, but in the process itself. It's about balancing the technical aspects of measurement and precision with the creative aspects of design and aesthetics. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, there's always room to improve your skills. From young children learning to hammer a nail to older adults discovering a new passion, woodworking is a craft for everyone. Working with wood is not just about creating something beautiful. Carpentry is not just about building things, it's about building a legacy that will last for generations to come. Carpentry is a craft that connects us with our past, our present, and our future. Carpentry is not just about building things, it's about problem solving and finding creative solutions to design challenges. Carpentry is a craft that transcends borders and cultures. Working with wood is a reminder of our connection to the natural world and the importance of sustainable practices. With a little investment in tools and materials, you can start selling your creations online or at local craft fairs. By creating unique and high-quality pieces, you can build a reputation and grow your business. By specializing in a certain type of item, you can build a loyal customer base and increase your earnings. Woodworking is a craft that's perfect for entrepreneurs. Woodworking is a craft that's both creative and lucrative. And when you sell those creations, you can make a great profit. You can turn your love of the craft into a lucrative career that supports your lifestyle.